Greetings! It's Maxo Diddley. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use your Amex credit card on websites that don't accept Amex. Let's get right into it. So firstly, you're going to want to have a PayPal account. So if you don't have one, go and make one. If you do have one, you can continue following along. And you're going to want to go to the PayPal website and then log in. And once you've logged into your PayPal account, you're going to want to go to the wallet section. After that, you're then going to want to click on link a card. Then you're going to want to type in the details for your Amex credit card. And once you've typed in the details of your card and entered the correct billing address, click on link card. You're then going to need to do some Amex two-factor authentication. So check your email or your phone and add in the code that Amex has given you. And if it worked, you'll be told your credit card has been linked. Click on Done. Now click on the credit card in the menu. And if you want this to be the default option when you use PayPal as a payment method, click on Set as Preferred. And that's all you have to do. Now, if you go onto a website that accepts PayPal, but doesn't accept an Amex credit card, you can still use your Amex credit card to make the payment and get the cash back. A couple of examples are eBay and Steam. But this will apply for any website that accepts PayPal. And that's it for this tutorial. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.